Hydroponic gardening can be up to 50% more efficient in terms of space and resource use than traditional soil-based gardening. Imagine growing your favorite vegetables and herbs year-round, indoors, without ever having to worry about weeding or traditional pests. Intrigued? Well, you're about to discover how to set up a basic hydroponic system from scratch. First, dive into the basics of hydroponic gardening. This innovative method involves growing plants in a nutrient-rich water solution, bypassing the need for soil. Every plant requires 4 critical elements to thrive: nutrients, light, water, and air. In hydroponics, these are meticulously controlled, allowing plants to grow faster and healthier. Choosing the right system is your next step. There are several types, including the deep water culture or DWC, where plants float in water, the nutrient film technique or NFT, which involves a continuous flow of nutrient solution over the roots, and the ebb and flow system, which floods and drains the root zone periodically. Each system has its benefits depending on your specific needs, such as the space available and your level of expertise. Now, select the plants you wish to grow. Leafy greens like lettuce, flavorful herbs like basil and cilantro, and fruits like tomatoes and strawberries excel in hydroponic systems. Choose plants that not only suit the system you've selected, but also meet your dietary preferences or culinary needs. Setting up your system involves some hands-on work. Follow the manufacturer's instructions closely to assemble your chosen hydroponic setup. Pay special attention to the placement of your system, ensuring it has access to adequate light and is easy to maintain. Factors such as pH levels, temperature, and humidity play significant roles in the health of your hydroponic garden, so keep these in mind during setup. Nutrient solutions are the lifeline of hydroponic plants. These solutions should contain a balanced mix of essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Regular monitoring and adjusting of nutrient concentrations are crucial to prevent nutrient deficiencies or toxicities that can harm your plants. Lighting is next on the agenda. Plants require light for photosynthesis, and in the absence of natural sunlight, LED grow lights are an excellent alternative. They are energy efficient and provide a full spectrum of light. Position these lights correctly to ensure your plants receive the optimal amount of light without overheating. Maintaining proper pH and electrical conductivity, or EC levels, are vital. The pH, which should stay between 5.5 and 6.5, affects how plants absorb nutrients. EC measures nutrient strength in your solution. Regular checks will help you maintain the ideal environment for your plant's growth. Water and air circulation cannot be overlooked. Good circulation helps deliver essential oxygen to the plant roots, enhancing growth and preventing disease. Using devices like air stones or water pumps can improve the oxygenation and overall health of your hydroponic garden. Monitoring and controlling environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity, along with maintaining airflow with fans or ventilation systems, are essential to prevent mold and promote healthy plant growth. Even hydroponic systems can face issues like pests and diseases. Maintain cleanliness, quarantine new plants, and keep an eye out for any signs of trouble. Using natural pest control methods can help manage these issues without compromising the health of your garden. Finally, harvesting and maintenance are part of the hydroponic journey. Harvest your plants when they're mature, and routinely clean your system to prevent issues like algae buildup. Continuous learning and experimentation will enhance your skills and yield better results over time. In summary, setting up a hydroponic garden involves understanding the basics, choosing the right system, and maintaining optimal growing conditions. Embrace the simplicity and efficiency of hydroponics to transform your gardening experience. Happy gardening!